Hi, my name is Eric Chen. I graduation from Minchuan University. No, but I have no job. No job. I am 23 years old, but I have no job from university. So I don't want this life. I want a job. Okay? Yeah. Oh, what's this? How to repair this thing? I must read every day and every night. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Come in. Hi, hello. What's the problem? Hi, hello. Hey, I got a big trouble. Okay, what's trouble? I think it's broken. Oh, really? Problem is this? Okay, no problem. Give me. I will help you. Where's the problem? This? Okay, I am good in talent in English. Okay, let me help you. Okay, no problem. And what is no problem. Okay, it's very good.
Yeah, you find a new job last week, right?
Yes, I find a job.
What kind of job you find?
Oh, I find a job and repair anything.
Oh, that sounds good, yeah.
Yeah, that is good.
Good luck.
What happened? What's the problem?
That's broken.
I can work again. I try it. What? It's broken.
You say you can repair anything?
Yeah.
You do it.
I can help you and repair anything. But I have lost my job. So now I have to help you and the automatic part, okay? Okay. Wow. Okay, try it.
Wow, that's problem. I can wash hands.
Oh,
You can repair anything, that's right.
yeah, that's my job and I will become a businessman.
Yeah, good.